Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to view responses to Google Forms. So I have this form I had made. So I'll go ahead and click on this one. Okay. And these are the questions. Make sure your forms have been published and you've shared the link, right? You've copied the link to the person you want to respond. And when they have responded, you'll come and click on responses. You'll get them onto responses. And to get notified via email when someone responds, you just click on these three dots and toggle this one on, get email notifications. But as soon as you click on responses, you'll see all the responses you have gotten and the scores if you had set up scoring. So you can see all the responses that people have made, okay, right here, and what it is the ratio of people getting it right to wrong. If you want to see individually, so this one is YT tutorials. This is the person, that's their email. You can see what they have answered. Okay, and if you had more people, you can just click on this arrow. It would move to the next response. And you can also see the time and date they submitted that response. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.